Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter. If you're new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will learn to create a form in Excel. Open your Excel and open a new workbook. Resize your column according to your data form. Enter data name, first name, last name, email, phone, city. Select and insert the table. Here, select My Table is the header. Go to Insert, right-click, and click on Customize Ribbon. Select All Commands. Find Form and click on it. Click on the New tab and rename it Data Form. And add this form to Ribbon. Now click on Data Form and then Form. Enter your data here. You can enter data simultaneously from here. Whatever amount of data you have, you can enter it easily. Doing this makes your work easier. And click on New. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.